Hi all, this is Cruncher for another pack opening video from Menace Tech from Mercanary Art Studio. Okay, so let's get straight to it. This time I've actually got some packs. Ignore the MST tokens. Anyway, we'll go for this one first. Just check it out. All right. I've just opened a couple of packs actually, funnily enough, and they've been amazing. I had some blues and I've had some reds, so don't let this fool you. There you go. Look at that. 2 blues in one pack. That's unreal. Amazing, 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 and amazing. I was in a live chat yesterday and people were asking about Menace Tech Little Monsters and Jesus. Mercenary Art Studio. I forgot the name there for a second. But yeah, amazing stuff. It's always amazing. Oh, incidentally, I got my crypto.com card. I would suggest anyone getting one. You know, why not? Earn crypto when you just buy your groceries. Makes sense. Anyway, thank you. And we'll do another opening at another time. And now I've just got to stop the recording. Oh, shit.